Right, we've found a few areas with the Deeper Pro, the Pro Plus already, and it seems to be the bulk of the fish are pretty much in the centre of the river, or just short of it, where it's around about 14-15 foot. So what we're going to do is we're going to just demonstrate that now, and we're just going to cast this out and hopefully show you the area in which the bulk of the fish are moving, and then we're just going to bait that area heavily tonight, and hopefully we can get in amongst the fish. So we're just going to cast this out into the clip that we've already have already done. And as you can see, it's around about 15 foot. And that's where the bulk of the fish have been coming. So we're just going to bait that heavily tonight and hopefully get in amongst the fish. There seems to be quite a silty area where they're coming. And if I reel in a little bit more, you'll see that it definitely drops off into a lot deeper water, around about a quarter of the way out. So as you can see now, it's almost 22 foot. And if you keep reeling, 23 foot. And then it'll reach the near side margin, and it'll gradually come up, as we see now, 19 foot, 18 foot. But the Pro Plus is a really good way of finding features, not necessarily finding fish, but finding features, finding where you shouldn't really be. And I find it an excellent tool just to find these features in any new sort of venues, especially on rivers where it's a massive expanse of water. You can usually find a good area to cast to using the Pro Plus. And as you can see, it's around about 4 foot in close here. Here we go. Absolutely stunning common. Cracking fish. Not a scale out of place.